If you're in your 20s right now and you're not building a personal brand, you might be making the biggest financial mistake of your life. Yeah, I said it. Because while you're scrolling TikTok for 3 hours a day, someone your age is posting 3 videos a day and getting paid for it. Same phone, same internet, completely different future. Now here's the crazy part. If I started building my personal brand at 20, by today, I wouldn't just have followers. I'd have multiple income streams, people coming to me with opportunities, and freedom most people don't get until 40, if ever. Instead, at 20, I thought posting online was cringe. Now, the cringe kids are making more money than doctors, and I'm sitting here like, wow, I really chose to be broke with Wi-Fi. Let me tell you something that's gonna sound fake, but it's not. I know a guy, same age as me. At 20, he started posting videos with 12 views. 12! Bro, even his mom didn't watch the full video. Fast forward 2 years, he's making over $15,000 a month from his phone. No office, no boss, no degree required. Meanwhile, at 20, I was busy. Busy doing what? Watching Netflix like it was a full-time job. If Netflix paid salaries, I would have been CEO. And that's the difference. He treated content like a business. I treated it like entertainment. Now, guess who's getting paid? Here's the real problem Gen Z doesn't want to admit. We don't lack opportunity. We lack consistency. Everyone says, I want to grow a personal brand, but nobody wants to post when they get 5 views, their friends might judge them, or they feel awkward talking to a camera. Let me be real with you. The first time I tried to record a video, I spent 30 minutes just staring at the screen. No talking, just me and my reflection judging myself. I recorded, deleted, recorded again, deleted again. At one point I thought, maybe I'm just not built for this. But that's the trap, because the people you see winning today, they weren't confident. They were just willing to be bad longer than you. Let's clear something up. A personal brand is not about being famous. It's about being known for something valuable. That's it. You don't need millions of followers. You need the right audience, the right message, and the right consistency. Because 1,000 people who trust you is worth more than 1 million people who scroll past you. Think about it like this. If 1,000 people trust your advice on money and just 10% buy something you recommend, that's 100 customers. That's a business, not content, a business. And most people miss this because they chase views instead of building trust. Now let's rewind for a second. If I started at 20, posting just 1 video a day, nothing crazy, no fancy edits, no perfect lighting, just 1 video. Do you realize what that means? In 1 year, that's 365 chances to improve, 365 chances to get noticed, 365 chances to change your life. But here's the scary part. Most people don't even post 10 times. They quit before the algorithm even knows they exist. Beat. If I stayed consistent for 2 to 3 years, I wouldn't be trying to make money online. I'd already have brand deals, digital products, multiple income streams. And the worst part? It didn't require talent, just consistency. All right, so how do you actually start? Not theory, not motivation, a real plan. Here's the simplest strategy that works right now. Step 1, pick 1 topic, not 5, not 10, 1. Money, fitness, tech, whatever. Step 2, document. Don't try to be perfect. You don't need to be an expert. Just share what you're learning. Step 3, post every day for 30 days. No excuses. Your first 30 videos, they're supposed to be bad. That's the point. And step 4, study what works. Which video got more views? Why? Double down on that. That's it. No secrets, no shortcuts. Just doing what 99% of people won't. All right, no more thinking. Let's make this real. Here's what you do today, not tomorrow. Take out your phone, open your camera, and answer this one question. What am I learning right now that could help someone else? That's your first video. Not perfect, not polished, just real. Then tomorrow, do it again and again for the next 30 days. Because right now, you're not trying to go viral. You're trying to become the person who can go viral. Big difference.
Now let's talk about the part everyone cares about, money. Because a personal brand isn't just about posting, it's about turning attention into income. Here's how it actually works. First, you grow an audience. Then you build trust. And once people trust you, there are multiple ways you get paid. Brand deals, affiliate marketing, selling your own digital products, coaching, or services. And the crazy part, you don't need millions of followers. Some people are making 5K, 10K, even 20K a month with less than 50,000 followers. Why? Because they built influence, not just content.
Let me leave you with this. Right now, there are people your age who started 6 months ago and they're already ahead. Not because they're smarter, not because they're more talented, but because they started. And if you don't start now, a year from today, you'll be in the same place, watching someone else live the life you wanted, thinking, I should have started earlier. That's the real cost. Not failure, regret. So here's the question. A year from now, which version of you do you want to be? The one who kept scrolling or the one who finally started? Because the truth is, you don't need more time. You don't need more knowledge. You just need to start today. And if you're serious about building your personal brand and actually turning it into income, subscribe to this channel because I'm breaking down everything step by step. No fluff, no fake gurus, just real strategies that work. Now, go post your first video.